What's up, y'all? Back here with another video. Gray Goose tanks cracked again. Keep this third time getting it fixed. So they're gonna try a different way. And get us fixed up. Basically on the back side, and this strap is cracked. It's to extend the tanks. The little hairline crack. Keep on cracking. Gotta get these bad boys fixed again. Get back on the road. And these bad boys bigger than me. 200 gallons. Andy! Thank you. Little update. It's nice well. That's what they did last time. Just a little update on the tank. They got it welded. Put a plate. Not a little aluminum. Seal the middle up. So hopefully that does the job. But it's the third time. First was my jar shaft. And I came back. It was that crack. Got it fixed. It started leaking again. Got it fixed again. Started leaking. So it's the third time with the crack. So we ain't gonna count the jar shaft destroying the tanks. They destroyed them. That's why you see those other patches. I'm gonna keep y'all updated when they install them. Doses. Hey, that's how I look if I don't have my side panel on all this room and tank. See how big that bad boy is. Big old whale. Got the light panel on the floor. Ooh, had to get back on, y'all.